I'd like to welcome Jerry, Lauren, and Bobby to the canine donation ceremony and all the other attendees.
First, thank you for coming today. I'm Jim Williams. I'm representing the sheriff today. He's unavailable and he wished he could be here, but he wants to personally thank you very much for what you've done for us. And I wanted to look down at my notes and recognize you as Jerry and Lauren with your company, American Drywall and Stucco, and also Mr. Bobby Clover with Foundation Building Material of Naples and Dixie Ply of Fort Lauderdale. We also have fencing that was donated by Delaney Fencing in Lake Placid. So we greatly appreciate this generosity and your support for the Sheriff's Office for our canine program. We're very proud of our canine program, both the handlers and the dogs themselves. So we're really in good shape. So thank you.
Jerry and Lauren, what we would like to do is present you with this flag, the German Shepherd and the thin blue line, for your generosity. You don't realize how much this will have a tremendous effect on our training. So where we can serve the citizens of Collier County there.
Thank you so much.
There you guys go.
Beautiful.
We really appreciate what you all do, the Sheriff's Department, the K9, the handlers, protecting our community. We wish we had known that you needed this prior to this. We own a house here and in Highlands County. We built one in Highlands County also. So it's great that we reached out, and we're glad that we could do this for you. And we've made some really good friends. The K9 handlers are awesome people.
Yay! What a success.